Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Ojol The Game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Ojol The Game on your device. And once the game is fully loaded, you might need to create your new profile if you haven't already created one, and if you're playing the game for the first time. After creating your profile and entering your username, you will end up within this homepage, from which if you wish to change the language for the game, click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. You will now see various different settings, including the language setting at the bottom right. Click on your desired language from the list of available ones, and then click on OK. Once you have done this, you will need to restart the game, and as soon as you restart, the language within the game will be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on Ojol The Game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.